Welcome back, chess lovers. Today, we're diving into a deadly trap from the Englund Gambit, known as Trap 4. This one is sneaky, fast, and absolutely brutal in blitz or bullet. Let's break it down move by move, so you can add this weapon to your arsenal. White opens with pawn to d4, a solid and popular first move aiming for central control. This is the queen's pawn opening. White looks to control the center and prepare for development. Nothing suspicious yet. But black immediately counters with pawn to e5, the Englund Gambit. This gambit is rare but aggressive. Black sacrifices a pawn early to gain fast development and open lines. Most white players will instinctively take the pawn. White captures the free pawn. So far, everything looks normal. White accepts the gambit. Now black's plan begins to unfold, rapid development and tactical traps. Chess pawn, black plays bishop to c5, developing quickly and eyeing the f2 square, the weakest point in white's position. This is a key square in many gambits. The bishop puts pressure on f2, setting the stage for future tactics. White develops their knight to f3, defending the center and preparing to castle. A natural and good move by white. But now comes the deceptive setup by black. Black plays pawn to d6, inviting white to capture again. Seems like a free pawn, right? But this is where the trap begins. The idea is psychological. You tempt white with another free pawn, while secretly preparing a nasty trick. White captures the pawn. Now, black springs the trap. White thinks they're just collecting material. But this move opens the door for black's hidden idea. Black plays knight to e7, wait, that looks like a mistake. To the untrained eye, knight e7 seems like a blunder. The knight blocks the bishop, and appears to do nothing. But this is a brilliant bait, a psychological trick. Many players rush to capture what looks like another free pawn. And white takes the bait. They play pawn takes e7, attacking the knight and now threatening to promote next. But they've just stepped into a minefield. This move gives black exactly what they want. Black responds with bishop takes on f2, check. Now things are about to explode. This is a forcing move. The bishop sacrifices itself to draw the white king out. The goal? To set up a devastating queen capture. White captures the bishop, probably thinking they're winning. But now, taking the bishop is practically forced, but it drags the king into the open, which is exactly what black needs. Black calmly captures the queen, q cross d1. Boom! White just lost their queen for nothing. Checkmate is not immediate, but white is completely lost. Stockfish evaluates this position at -4, meaning black has a decisive advantage. White may have a few pieces out, but their king is exposed, and the material loss is too much to recover from. So what happened here? Black used psychological bait, pretending to blunder with knight e7, to lure white into overextending. This trap works best in blitz or bullet, especially against confident players who think they've punished a beginner. Play this gambit against opponents who know main lines but might miss tactical tricks. Practice the sequence to build muscle memory. If white avoids taking the pawn on d6, black can still get a strong position with fast development. If you found this trap deadly and brilliant, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more chess tricks, traps, and strategies. Drop a comment if you've ever pulled this off, or fallen for it. See you in the next video.